Alright, today I'm helping another company, helping them out. They're kind of short-handed anyway. We're have to take those roof drains out. That's pretty high. And there's the scissor lift we're going to use. Get on up there and take those loose and get ready to be put back. There seems to be about 4. There's one there. The one we just looked at there, right next to that light there, and also there's one here. I don't know if you can see that. There's another one there, and there's one back here. So most time we'll be able to get those out safely and with ease, hopefully. Yeah, this is pretty high. So I just want to give an update of what's going on. It's a Monday morning. Actually, it's the 27th of August. So I'm in a clinic of some sort. I got to find out exactly what kind, but that's what's to do today. So that's it for now. With that said, to the next time, shalom.